We use the same type of fabric that MDOT approves for under the road construction when dealing with drainage. I'm going to show you how well it works because I've seen on different YouTube videos these contractors showing landscape fabrics. Never use a landscape fabric for a French drain system. Never. They don't drain. Alright, so we're going to show you just how well a fabric that's meant to be used in a French drain system works. As you can see, we got a hose, got the hose on high, we got it in a 5-gallon pail, and it's just running through the fabric without hesitation, no interruption. It's not pooling, ponding, it's just filling up the bucket. The videos that I see where guys show fabric poorly draining, they're using a landscape fabric. They're using a landscape fabric meant for a weed barrier. It doesn't drain the same as a fabric meant for a drainage system. Let's take a look, see what we got. Okay, so the proof's in the pudding, as they say. There you go, there you have it. No tricks, just use the right fabric. There's literally hundreds of fabrics out there. You can't go to your local landscape supply for your fabric to do your French drain system. You can't go to Home Depot. You have to do your homework. Do your homework. To the yard drainage contractors out there that don't believe in the fabric because they're using the wrong fabric, research it. Do your homework. When looking for a yard drainage contractor that knows how to put in a drainage system and knows how to do it right the first time, you know who to call.